So, I got this AirPods in July 2023, almost August. I use them every day for going to work, listening to music at work, answering calls at work, and when I'm getting home, I connect it to my Mac and I play music or YouTube videos and stuff like that. So, um, I can say that I use it a lot. First, the thing is the battery. The battery is excellent. I drop it off when I go to sleep on my wireless charger, and I let it there. When I'm waking up in the morning, they have juice, and enough juice to last me a couple of days. But every night when I get home, I put them in on the charger and they charge and stuff like that. Haven't got problems with anything until now, and I hope it will keep to be the same. The sound quality, it's great. I use the personalized spatial audio feature that this AirPods got. Um, you need to map it to your ear or in the size of your head. I don't know the science behind of it, but for me it's interesting, and I really like it. I like the fixed position, but you can use a track position to let it track your where your head is and stuff like that, and they play music. They're headphones, they don't do magic. So this is because of the inclusion with H1 or something like that chip. I don't know. The how comfortable they are. Well, actually, they're really good. I really like them when I put them in my ears every morning when I sometimes walk to work. They don't fall off no matter how much I move my head. There's no problem there. Never had a problem with them falling out of my ear. I had just problems with them when I dropped them. I dropped the case and they fallen off the case. That's the only time they fall. Talking about the case it's full of scratches. As you can see in the B-roll that it's on the screen right now, it's full of scratches. I hope you can see it on the B-roll, because this is made out of plastic. It's a simple white plastic that is not scratch resistant, nothing, just scratches so easily. I have a dedicated pocket on my jeans for it. I always put them in that pocket, and they scratch so easily. I don't put them with keys, phone or anything else, but they just scratch when I put them on the desk or when I put them in my pocket or whatever. They are full of scratches, and that's my only problem that I have with them. The rest, they are amazing headphones. I choose this type of AirPods because I didn't want the Pro. The Pro have like those ear tips in that go in, and I hate those. I don't like those. Every person has their problems with ear tips going in. I have that problem. I don't like how they feel in my ear, and that's why I decided to go with this, because this just don't have that, and they are just, that's it. I like just going in, that's it. You don't have no rubber, no nothing to put a pressure on your ear. So that's why I like it. I say the battery is really good. The sound, it's amazing. I'm using Apple Music for listening to music. I have a subscription to Apple Music, and the spatial audio part of Apple Music, it's really great. I really like the songs that are included there. But other songs that are stereo, I like them too. They're sounding amazing. It's the best type of earphones that you can get for everyday use, and you'll not go wrong with it. They're not that expensive right now. When I bought them, I paid like $200 on it. Now they're like 150 or something like that, 150, 175, around there, because the prices dropped. The prices dropped because we're expecting another version of this, maybe AirPods 4 or whatever they are calling them, which I'm eager to test out, but I don't know if they're changing, like putting ear tips or stuff like that on them. I will not buy that because I told you I have a problem with this. Maybe it's a mental problem or whatever. So I'm sticking with this until the AirPods 4 are out, and we'll see there how those are. My opinion is, if you want to buy the AirPods 3 and if you also having problems with your ears that you hate ear tips, get the AirPods 3. If you're not having, just spend the extra money to get the AirPods Pro, because from what I hear, they're sounding better. They're having transparency mode and stuff like that, which for me, I don't need it. I like this, so yeah. Thank you for watching. This was like a short 1 year review, what I've experienced, and some of the problems. A lot of little problems, because the only problem that I have is scratches on it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I see you guys in the next one. So peace.